Okay guys, so this is a very simple tutorial to get Phoenix Miner working directly with Unmineable. And it's being made at request, so some people asked for it. Alright, so I'm going to assume for this that you've already downloaded Phoenix Miner into a spot that has an exemption for Windows Defender, like I have here. So this is what I'm going to say is the assumed start point for this tutorial. Alright, so what we do firstly is inside this folder that holds Phoenix Miner, create yourself a new text document. Now you want to rename that text document, including the .txt, into a bat file. .bat. So I'm just going to call mine Unmineable. And yes, you want to change the extension to this. All right, so now that we've done that, we come in and we edit it, and it will open up as a file inside Notepad. Now, if you go down into the description of the video, you're going to see a string that I want you to now cut and paste into that file. And the string is as follows. The app you're going to run, which is Phoenix Miner, the pool address, which you can get directly from the Unmineable website or whatever pool you're using, followed by your wallet address, which includes the referral code, noting that the referral code gives you a decreased fee amount for this. All right, so we're going to come across, and I've created a dummy wallet just for this demonstration. We're going to copy our wallet address from the receive address. And then, so now we've done that, we bring it into the wallet address field here. And then our worker name, I'm just going to change this to worker PH. All right, once you've done this, just save out the file. And then we come down and we run it. Now, assuming everything's okay, this is what it should look like. So you'll see it's detected your graphics card up here. It'll start doing its stuff. And after a couple of minutes, once it's loaded all the stuff it needs into the memory of the graphics card, it will start generating a hash. And you'll see that here. So this blue should change from 0 to a number, and that number will be based upon ultimately the compute power of the graphics card that you have installed. All right, so once we do this, we go back to the Unmineable website. We enter our address for our wallet into here, and then hit the search button. Now, once you've done that, it'll come up, and assuming we give it a couple of minutes, it will come up as such. Now, when I was just making sure that my configurations are right, I use the address rqew, but that obviously is not running. So what I'm going to do now is just give it a couple more minutes and then reload this bit over here. So we've just, if we just reload it now, we come down the bottom and we'll notice the new worker we put in, which is worker PH, is running at a rate of 32. So that's what we're reporting back up here inside our computer. It has a pull rate of 15 mega hash. And this says that we are now reporting correctly to the pool and that we are earning shares and thus earning whatever crypto that we want in this. All right, guys, as always, if you have any troubles, if it's giving errors up here, chuck a comment down below and I'll see what I can do to help. If you like the video, chuck us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you can catch up on new stuff that I do in the future. But as always, guys, have yourself an amazing